So you bought a Tacoma and you found out that it sucks. Well, here's some key mods to help that situation out. So the first thing that I did was I contacted the good folks over at Orange Virus Tuning, and they hooked me up with their tune that they've been working on for the Tacoma, and that really helped out with the drivability of the truck. But in conjunction with that, you got to get you some gears. For whatever reason, Toyota put gears in here that were entirely too high for the motor to turn effectively, and so when you upgrade to a 488 or even a 529 gear set, that's going to be the biggest bang for your buck. So first off, no matter what you do, you got to get yourself a tune and you got to get you some gears. Don't even worry about anything beyond that. Number 3, the headlights. They suck. You got to get some HIDs in there. I tried LEDs. I still don't think that technology is there, especially with the halogen specific beam pattern that they got here. So I tried the HIDs, I tried the LEDs, I went back to a better HID set, and now I can finally see at night. Gotta get them. Number 4, get you one of these bad boys from, who are they? Expedition Essentials. This is a nice little, mount for whatever it is you want to run, your tablet, your GPS. I've got a little phone mount here, and it's got a built-in USB power cable, so you don't have cables running down everywhere. Really nice. You're gonna like that one a lot. It's pretty cheap too. Number 6 and 7, stereo. You know it sucks too. So contact the guys over at OEM Audio. They got a Taco Tunes. They got a couple different things that you can get. The OEM Audio system is real nice because it's all plug and play. It uses the OEM head unit, and you just have some new amps along with either 1 or 2 8-inch subs. Even one 8-inch sub is gonna make this thing sound amazing. So definitely look into that. What number are we on? 7? 6? Doesn't matter. You're gonna need a spot for your brewskis, obviously. I've chosen a cheaper Amazon fridge, but they got all kinds of fridge on the market. The biggest problem you're gonna have with the Tacoma is because it's so tiny in here, you're gonna have to find a fridge that works for you and will still fit within the confines of the truck. I know a lot of people put them in the bed, but I would rather not have my really expensive, what's this thing called? Refrigerator in the back of the truck. I want it with me. So check out one of those. Number 11. So you want to put big tires on your truck. Too bad, you can't, because Toyota don't want you to. But we have a solution for this. It's called a body mount chop. What you see here are 35-inch tires that took quite a bit of massaging and effort. But one thing you're going to need to do is a body mount chop. And you can see here, we've already done that on this one. We have our specific SSO chops. And also you can see it took a lot of cutting and clearing just to clear these 35s. So you're not gonna be able to put 35s on a truck with no lift, okay, unless you just cut everything off. So you're gonna need a lift of at least 2 inches, and then a body mount chop, plus a lot more cutting there and hammering and massaging. Let's go on next. Number 34, you're gonna want yourself a quality winch bumper, like this one from SSO. This is our full plate bumper. We also have a tube side bumper, which looks real nice. Or you can just go with just simple slimline that keeps the rest of the truck OEM that way and still leaves you a spot to put a wonderful row of high intensity LED lights and a winch if you so choose. And last but not least, you want one of these roof racks right here. This is our brand new version for the Tacoma. It only measures 3 decibels louder at 70 miles an hour, and it uses all of the same features and functions that our other roof racks do. Sealed against the roof so that the wind slips over it. 3-inch cross bars instead of the 2-inch from those other guys. 1/4-inch side rails is the same material that skid plates are made out of, along with a 1/4-inch front plate. And it gives you the places to mount solar panels, rooftop tents. We've even got some side lights back here for whenever you're doing your camping out in the dark. So all in all of these changes we've made to this truck have finally made it something that I'm pleased to drive around with first. So now with all these changes we've made to the truck, we've made it more enjoyable on-road, and we made it more capable off-road. And in my opinion, it's the way it should have come from Toyota. But what do I know?